going about its anti-corruption war. But some of these judges who are under investigation right now, do you think that they should step down in their judicial duties pending the conclusion of these cases against them?
I don't think so. And let me tell you the reasons why. The case against the judges is at the level of allegation. If and when there is a formal charge filed in court and we see the evidence, we can get to the stage and evaluate it and say, maybe given the weight of this evidence, it will be good for the judges to consider that.
Who will be evaluating?
And the NJC. It's not the DSS, it's not the executive. Under Section 158, the National Judicial Council under Section 158 of the Constitution is not responsible or answerable to any other person.
But for the sake of morality.
No, there's no morality here.
We understand.
Because if we are to plead morality, we'll start with Aso Rock. There's an allegation against the president that he has no WAEC certificate. It may be true, it may not be true. It's an allegation, just like the same allegation against the judges. The president is sitting in Aso Rock. Not just that he's sitting there, he hired 13 senior advocates of Nigeria to frustrate the case.
How do you mean frustrate the case?
To appeal against the decision and then ask for
Does that mean frustration?
That's technicality. If
I say what's allowed in law?
If I say you have no certificate now, don't you have classmates? I will out of anger go to my archive and bring out my certificate. What do I need to hire 13 sons to hide white certificate? And not just that. Not just that the president is hiding the certificate, he is sitting in power. Not just sitting in power, removing vice chancellors who are producing certificates and appointing ones upon allegation that he doesn't even have one. So has he stepped aside? So where do we get this situation? There's allegation against the executive, they are in power. There's allegation against the legislature, they are in power. Why would you ask judges to step aside so that all cases must go according to what the president wants?